Hello Udo users and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we will see the step-by-step guide for Kanpur Udo shipping configuration. So let's get started. When we download this application from the Udo Web Store, first of all we will do the company level configuration. For that we will navigate to settings, go to user and companies and go to companies. Here we have configured the demo database. So we will mention the general information about our company and go to the configuration. As we check this box, we will mention the API URL, username and password that is provided to you by the shipping provider. Once this information is mentioned over here, your company level configuration gets completed. Currently, this is the demo version, so I will not be mentioning the information over here. Now, next step is the shipping level configuration. So let's navigate to our sales module. In configuration, we will go to delivery methods. Here is the shipping service that we have configured. So we will mention the company over here. So in case if we have more than one company in our Odoo database, we will select any one of company to which our shipping service is applicable. Next is the package info. So we will configure the packages over here. In the internal link, you will mention the size of the packages, select the carrier over here. Next is the shipping or say shipper number. So this is the account number that is provided to you by the shipping provider and you will mention it over here. Next is the dimension unit. Next is bill weight unit and payment type. So there are different types of payment types that we have configured over here. So delivery method is now perfectly configured. Now we will go and create a sales order to see the practical usage. So now let's add the customer over here, add the product and add some quantities over here. So we've added some quantities and add shipping. We will add the shipping service and go to the get rate. The rate will be fetched over here as per the shipping method. So here is the rate. Let's add it. In the shipping charges, you can see there are different types of rates that are available. You can use any one of them if you require. Currently, the lowest rate is selected as you can see 25.50. And here is the same rate that is selected. You can also change the rate over here in case if you want it. Now we will confirm the sales order. Delivery order gets created over here. Now we will divide this quantity into multiple packages. So let's divide it into two quantities. Let's save it and another 10 quantity and it's done now. In the additional information we will validate it. So the tracking reference will be fetched over here. The labels will be generated. So as you can see, tracking reference we have fetched over here and there are two labels for the two packages that we created is generated over here. So this is the first label and this is the second one. So two labels are generated and it's done now. You can do the tracking directly from here. It will be redirected to the company's page that is kanpur.com. So here it generates the tracking number and you can track your package directly from here. Now let's go back and see how the manifest can be downloaded. So at the end of the day, when you want to hand over it to your delivery partner, you will have to give the manifest. So we will see how manifest can be downloaded. So here is this manifest run export. So as we open it, we will select the Kanpur manifest, select the carrier and create the manifest. So the manifest file will be generated over here and we can download the same. As you can see, the manifest export file is appearing over here in a PDF format. So as we download it, we will open it and here is the manifest file. So all of the shipments of the day will be coming over here and you can check the same. Now as we go back, we can close it and in case if we have forgotten to download it, we have another that is manifest history. So as we open it, you can see all the history of the manifest that we have uh, created or say generated in a day and you can select any one of them and download it or say you can open it and check and download it again from here. So this is all about Kanpur shipping configuration in Odoo. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for your store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can write back to us at support@vajartechnologies.com. Thank you.